This is the best day of my life. We're trying Raising Cane's. You don't understand. I've literally dreamed of this day watching mukbangs at like 12 in the morning. To start off, I got a lemonade and I spilled it all down me. The size of the cup was huge as well. It was like half the size of my head. I got the 6-piece chicken deal. I started off with the lemonade. It was unreal. Then I tried the chips. They were banging as well. This was my first reaction to trying the sauce. I cannot explain to you how it tastes. It's so weird, but it is so nice. Then we tried the chicken, and without the sauce, it's just normal chicken, but with the sauce, oh, it is heaven. Just the dip of it is so satisfying. But don't get me started. The best part of the whole meal was the toast, and I didn't even know it came with it. Honestly, it was the best.